It is about understanding how credit reporting actually happens behind the scenes and why this matters for you if you want to build your credit, fix your credit, or even create credit from scratch for yourself and others. The easiest way to picture this is to imagine that credit bureaus speak their own language. That is literally what Metro 2 is. Metro 2 is like English for them. If you do not speak it, they ignore you. When you understand Metro 2, you understand the real mechanics of how credit gets built. And once you understand the mechanics, you stop being at the mercy of authorized users and weak reporting services that barely move your score because now you know how the system works at the root level, not just on the surface. Super simple. Metro 2 is a file format. It is a specific way of lining up data in perfect fixed width boxes. Imagine you have a giant sheet of paper and every column is counted out exactly 100 characters long, and every letter, every number, every symbol must sit inside a precise box. If it goes one character too far, the bureaus reject it. If it is one character too short, they reject it. The file has no extra spaces, no extra punctuation, nothing sloppy. Everything is neat and perfectly timed out. Imagine you have a credit card account on your report, but the lender reports the open date wrong. Let us say you opened it in 2018, but they accidentally report it as 2022. The bureaus believe whatever the Metro 2 file says. So even if you know the truth and even if your statements show the real date the bureaus score, you based on that 2022 date, suddenly your account looks young, you lose age, your score drops, and you have no idea why that happened. It is about unlocking the ability to control the structure of your credit file so you can build your profile intentionally instead of waiting passively for someone else to update it. This is how you turn no credit or low credit into a strong score. If you were explaining it to a family member, the header segment is like the envelope. It tells the bureaus who is sending the data. It includes your furnisher, ID company, name, address, and technical information so the bureaus know the file came from a legitimate source. Then you have the base segment that is the body of the message. This is where the real account details live. Every account you report must have a base segment with name, date of birth, address, social number, account type, date, open balance status, and so on. Then there are optional segments. These are used when the account has something special going on, like a bankruptcy, a dispute, a payment arrangement, a repossession, or a special condition. These optional segments give more depth to the story and help the bureaus interpret the account correctly. Finally, you have the trailer segment that is like saying the end. It closes the file and tells the bureaus how many accounts are inside the batch. So when you look at it like that, Metro 2 stops being scary. You can build age, you can build payment patterns, you can build depth in ways that most consumers do not even know exist because they do not see behind the curtain. Whoever reports the data controls the story, and whoever controls the story controls the score. And when you learn how it works, you gain the power to build credit from nothing, fix credit that is broken, and create credit that lenders actually respect. And once you start seeing the credit system from the inside, not the outside, you start making decisions that change your entire financial life.